Good morning, everybody. Just getting things set up right now. How well can you hear me? How well can you hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello? Hey, if you're on, let me know. Feel free to jump onto chat. So I'm just getting things set up right now. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually add sublimation to my demo app that I've been playing around with. So just to give you some background, I have a repo that is available where I'm just kind of like using it as a sandbox. So you can see the URL right there. I'm going to copy that to chat. But basically, if you've seen my, if you saw my demo SharePlay, this is the repo that I used for that. Just posting this on social media. So here's that demo app that I'm going to be using, and then if you can see, we created, where is it? There we go. So sublimation, posted that. So this is what we worked on, and I finished it up over the week, and we're going to be integrating this into our app. So let's go ahead and we're going to open up Xcode. This is the best way to test a Swift package. It's by actually using it. So over here, you can see the architecture is all set up in Swift packages. Obviously, you should probably see it. Make this bigger for you. Hopefully you can see that. So all the code is essentially stored in Swift packages. So they're really, you can see it in the app. It's all implemented here. So go here, see application. You can ignore these warnings. They're obviously not correct. I've been playing around with Periphery, if you've heard that. It's really cool. Linting tool to see if you have any unused code you can get rid of. So what we're going to do is we're going to integrate sublimation in there. Sublimation. I'm going to make that mistake again. So let's go ahead and copy the package dependency. Ooh, I gotta fix that. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I gotta fix that package tag, that's incorrect. Do that right now. There we go. Any questions as we move on? We're just waiting on package resolution. Oh, you know what? I could add it to the app too. So I have to actually do that. Share that. I'm using Xcode Gen to create my Xcode project. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's the project file that it uses. So we just need to add the dependency. Well, actually, you know what? We don't cross that. We don't need that. It's all in a Swift package. So actually I can add both of them here. And where is UI? Perfect. Since we're not, we don't actually have to add it to the project. We can just add it in our package file. All right, and I'm going to do one more thing. So how do we build? Ah, interesting. So let's see. There's no reason it shouldn't support 14. So let me open up Sublimation real quick. So our package here specified 15, but I'm wondering, there's no reason we should have to do that. Let's see if this works still. Seems to be fine. Just gonna build the package. Any questions so far? Cool. All right, so I'm gonna push this. Totally don't know why I didn't think of that. All right, we pushed our branch, so now we can go back into Floxbox and fix that. Here we go. So it like branch. There we go. It's building now. Let's see if this works. If you just joined the stream, just pop in and say hello. Awesome. Build was success. Sure. Okay, so for that, I'm actually going to go here and change that to 12 because that I don't care so much about. Cool, so that worked. All right, so now let's go into our server app. All right, so we have our application here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna import. Import sublimation vapor. And we're gonna go here. I think we should add, so just add the life cycle handler. Oh, here we go. Oh, I need to set up the bucket.
Hey, yo.
So let's go ahead and do that in just a little bit. So let me go ahead and we're going to open up the browser again. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the web browser. Go to KeyV, log in. How is this? Sorry about that. There we go. Email. Haven't done that today. Cool. I'm just gonna use the existing bucket. Cool, I have a little thing already there. We're just gonna copy that name from the bucket. Already know where Ngrok is. I'm gonna copy that. And we're just gonna use the same key. Box. Cool. That should do it. Alright, and then over on our application here, let's see if I can find application object. This here needs to be fixed. I'll just double check how. Use host. Okay, so we don't. So I don't want. Actually, I'm gonna change this. Let's see, how do we do that? Base URL components. Okay, got it. So we're already gonna have. We already have a string, so we just need to. We just are going to. This is gonna take a URL actually. Can URL components? Oh, I should probably switch the camera. Nope. There we go. So over here on the server, copied the bucket name and the key over. So now we're going to go to the app. We're going to allow it to pass in. Oh, good. URL. Perfect. And then that's going to be base URL. I think that's right. I'm just going to copy that over. Paste that in. Cool. And then in our app, we're not going to. Application object is just a massive environment object I used in the Swift UI app. So here, we're gonna actually make this async. So I'm wondering, how does that get tapped? I'm just gonna make that a force for now. Oh, that's because we're building a server. We'll build a client. Good. Okay. Service can't find service, can't find service. Okay. So on begin, which I believe is called on the first view. Let's look for that. Yeah, object.begin. So on this here, we'll have to make this let service. It's just going to be a var, right? Because service isn't set yet. So here in begin, looking for begin. So we don't even want it to get the credentials yet. So we'll be using, let's go in here, we're going to import sublimation. Let's go back to begin. And now we're going to call, let's look at the documentation real quick. There we go, base URL. So key, we have that already here. Wondering what's the shared library between these. Models. Yeah, I think we should use models to store that configuration. So let's go models, configuration, perfect. Let's go back here. Let's make sure we use that. Oh, I didn't make it public. Probably a good idea. Thank you. And now we're going to go back to our application object. We have that. We go here, configuration dot sublimation dot key and configuration dot sublimation dot bucket name, and then oh man, begin's not asynchronous. So let me refactor this part. So this one fetches the credentials and signs in. So we're just going to call this setup credentials for now. And this doesn't need to be here. And then this can be a task. We're going to do catch here. And then actually we're going to do this base URL. Thank you, Multi. I hope I pronounced your name right. Decided to spend some money on Loopback this morning, which thank you to Jay for suggesting that. All right, and then so we got base URL. Let's combine base URL cannot be found in scope. Second identifier. What the heck? Not doing anything crazy. Cool. Okay. What we should do is this. That's an error. Okay, cool. Guard. Let URL. And now we're going to go in here and we're going to throw. It's an error that I have. I gotta have an error somewhere, right? Keychain error, session error, request error. Just create a new one. It's gonna be enum. And then take in no server case sublimation error. Perfect. Let's go back down here. Where were we? We're at begin. Thank you. We're gonna throw developer server error .no server. Actually, I'm gonna change that. No, I'm gonna keep it that way. And we're gonna do throw developer server error sublimation error. Yep. And yeah, we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna say fetch base URL. Perfect. We're going to now do this again. Base URL. We're going to do, and we're going to do base URL. Oh, right. Let's go with that. Return URL. And we're going to catch. And then we're going to just log the error. What do we do with the errors? Latest error, sure. Self.latest error. Error. Dispatch queue.main. Oh, come on. What am I doing? Great, I can do that. And then we're going to return. And then we're going to actually, I don't want to do that. I'm going to do base URL, URL, who cares for now. All right. So we got the base URL. So now we can set up the service. And that's where service implementation comes in. Let's go back to the top. We're going to copy this part. Go back to begin. Yeah, this file is massive. I apologize. Good. And then I think this is now base URL. Yep. And then base URL. string. Is this? Yeah, it's static string. Okay. And then let's go up here, and we're gonna make this that for now. Expected else. Expected else. This is throws and sync. Did I forget to do that? Of course. Try. Wait. Is that it? Okay, so let's run our server first. Let's see if that works. We gotta start my Docker server. Apologies. Sure that is set up. Yes, okay, cool. Let's try that again. Then, yay! All right, so that was saved. So now we can run our app. And just to make sure, I want to go in here and I want to debug print base URL. And then we're going to go ahead and run the app. Simulator here. That is not simulator. That's Spotlight. Simulator. Where are you? That's super weird. You know what? I'm just gonna create a new source. See the app. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Oh, yeah, let's just make sure that found base URL. Okay, so this should work. Got a couple of publishing changes though. What are those? Got it. Yeah. Okay. So technically we should be able to log in. Oh, I'm gonna sign up actually. Yes. Item. Jeez. All right, and just let's, you know, make sure I'm not doing anything fake here. We can see. Let's pull this up. I'm gonna pull up Postico, my favorite database app, and we're gonna see that cheese is at the top. Yay! So cool. Our application works, and we don't have to pull. We don't have to tell it to have a new server every time, which is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a little break, get some more hot water, and I'll be back in just a couple of minutes. Enjoy the music. Okay, back. Let's get the music back. There we go. So the thing I want to do next is take into account the situation of like releasing this in the App Store. I don't want to run this stuff in the App Store. So actually, let's first of all, we're gonna. This bugs me. Okay. There's that. Excuse me. And then we're going to go in and we want to make just trying to think the best way to do this. So I think let's do if debug. Actually, let's take a step back. So the base URL is already going to be hard-coded. I think what I want to do let's do this. Actually, let's do just fetch. So for begin, and what we're gonna do is we're not gonna do this stuff. Specifically, we don't want to use fetch because we don't want that available. So if debug, and let's see how this breaks. Person succeeded. Let's go in here. You can't see it because it's not going to let me, but I'm going to create a new schema. Call it release and build. Let's see. Build. Okay, so now let's try this out, and it should give me an error. I'm just throwing away my tea bag. So we should get a compilation error, hopefully. How's everybody doing? Any big plans for Thanksgiving? Cool, okay. That's exactly what we want. And so I think I'm gonna do the other thing where we're gonna have oh yeah, that's a good point. Okay. So I'm gonna do the other thing. I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna make service implicit optional. This service is not implicit optional. I'm gonna do service implementation. That. Actually, what I might do, let's see, what do we got for service implementation? Yeah, let's because that bugs me so much. Headers. Sorry. It's just... All right. There's that. And this is going to be we call it production base URL. Right here. No. Go here. Yes. Production base URL. And that is, we're just going to use components. URL components. Post. Actually, we're gonna do guard. Yeah, we'll do force. Sure. Alright, let's see how this compiles. Oh, yeah, I see what I did. Good. Okay. So all this code here, let's move that over. I'm gonna call that setup. Developer environment, sure. And that also is only gonna be available. And that is I might just let's see that. We're gonna call it and we're going to make that a sync service. Dot service equals developer service and then that. Yep, await debug. And honestly, I should just make. Sorry to do this, but I think it should be like this. If there's something else you want to see, let me know. But this is really what I want to get into today, was this part, and then probably should do that on the vapor end as well. We're going to go into Vapor and do that on our server. If debug. And if so I want to do its environment. Oh, that's a static one. Yeah, there we go. And then let's do that again on this one. Just make sure it works. Start our server. We should get an address here. Yes. And then we're going to go back to here. We're going to rerun the app. It's building. It's building. Any questions? Alright, let's see how this works. Awesome. Got in right away. That's awesome. That's awesome. So yeah, we can go into our app, and then like I had shown earlier, Postico. If we go into our app, we Turkey. Let's show off our database. See Turkey at the bottom, so it worked. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut this up. I'll put this on the Bright Digit channel as a demo of sublimation. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter, or I'm on Mastodon now. Let me post all those links. So Twitter, obviously you can also post here as well, and you can also post here as well. Thank you everybody, and I hope all you have a good Thanksgiving for the American audience, and otherwise, if you're outside of the US, have a great Wednesday and Thursday and rest of your week. Join me again. I'm planning on doing this again next week. I have some ideas about what I want to do, and you also have the link to Sublimation. I'm going to tag, so I have iOS 14 support, and also put this Floxbox stuff in as well. Thank you everybody, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye.